Hola, me llamo Jorge Ulloa y soy profesor de español. Hello, my name is Jorge Ulloa and I am a Spanish teacher. This is the introduction to a four-part group of videos called How to Sound Like a Native Spanish Speaker. As I said, there will be four videos that will deal with different things. Part 1 will be about consonants, and in part 1 I am going to demonstrate the correct pronunciation of Spanish consonant, and when necessary I will contrast the pronunciation of the same consonant in English. Part 2 is about vowels. I will demonstrate the vowel sounds in Spanish. There are only 5 of them, but they are medium length. They are neither long nor short, and sometimes from the English point of view is a matter of trying to pronounce them correctly and also be aware that the same vowel could be elongated or shortened and the meaning of the word won't change as they do in English. Part 3 is going to be linking, so how Spanish words are linked in connected speech. You know, like tonight, for example, in class, we have an example that we were listening to a recording and the girl on the recording said, Tengo una hermana. So, and the beginners in this class asked me, why tengo una? Shouldn't it be Tengo una hermana, as in I have a sister? But I explained to them that in connected speech, people tend to speak fast, of course, and in order to almost sing the tune that Spanish has, some sounds must be sacrificed. So in this case, the O in tengo was sacrificed, and the person said tenguna instead of tengo una. So we will be talking about these things in part 3. Part 4, sentence stress. So once you have mastered the consonants and the vowels so you can link your words, then we talk about the whole sentence, how a sentence will have maybe a peak in the middle and then down at the end, and if we have time and the feedback that I receive, calls for a part 5, I might do as well. But this is all for now. Muchas gracias. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.